Working with databases is one of the most important and powerful skills that every developer should have. This is due to the high demand for this skill constantly and with the highest salaries. So if you want to be a professional developer, engineer or data scientist, it's very important to be familiar with working with databases of all kinds. In this course, you will learn how to work with different types of databases using the Python programming language from beginning to professionalism. You will master the use of SQL databases using MySQL and SQLite, and also NoSQL or not only SQL by using MongoDB. By the end of this course, you will be able to build and manage all these databases with Python programming language easily. So what is the meaning of database? A database is a structured collection of data. It may be anything from a simple shopping list to a picture gallery or a place to hold the vast amounts of information in a corporate network. Hi, my name is Ahmed Ibrahim. I am a software engineer and data science professional, and I'll be the instructor for this course. If you have any questions during this course, please don't hesitate to ask me questions and I'll answer you as soon as possible. So we have a lot to cover in this course. Let's start this unique journey.